The term viral is defined in the dictionary as an image, video, or piece of information that is circulated rapidly and widely from one internet user to another. And it's no surprise that this term has been on the rise ever since the increase in social media culture. But what exactly makes a piece of content go viral? What's the psychology behind viral content? Welcome back, Psychos! Today we'll be discussing the 6 proven types of viral content, according to psychology. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, as well as click the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Number 1. Taboo content. We all love a little taboo content, don't we? We're curious beings, and when we see something that's out of the ordinary, whether it be a TikTok, YouTube thumbnail, or even a news article, a light goes off in our heads and we just can't help ourselves to click. Taboo content is anything that social media platform communities would consider as improper, unacceptable, prohibited, or profane. A great way to make a piece of content seem taboo is to mix mundane tasks and situations such as making something for dinner, driving to work and mowing the lawn with a taboo or even profane subject or title. An example of this would be, instead of a title saying, "My wife makes us vegan burgers," instead a taboo title would be, "What the bleep is my wife making for dinner?" This creates a curiosity that can only be soothed with a simple click of the piece of content. Number 2. Unusual content. Unusual content can be considered as anything that's out of the ordinary or particularly questionable. This type of content is different from its taboo counterpart because this type of content sparks an uncertainty in the audience's mind. When an audience stumbles upon a piece of unusual content, they're not sure how to feel about it, and that can be a little unsettling. This unsettling feeling then leads them to click on the video and learn more in order for them to form their opinions on the matter. Unusual content is novelty content, which is one of the main tactics influencers and viral YouTube stars use in their content. Unusual doesn't necessarily mean it's new information being presented. In fact, the web is filled with reused stories and content. Finding an interesting way to present information is the main factor. Think along the lines of self-driving cars and out-of-body experiences. Anything that will make the audience do a double take. Number 3. Outrageous content. There's no type of content topic like an unconventional or overly extravagant one, and that's exactly what outrageous content is all about. This type of content triggers a strong opinion in people, meaning the audience probably already knows how they feel about the topic before clicking onto it. The good thing about this content is that both the audiences that agree and disagree will want to learn more about the outrageous topic because deep down, people love the drama that comes with controversy. It's fair to say that people between the anti-racism uproar and the global virus of 2020 was a year full of outrageous content. Anything you've watched that made you think to yourself, "What the heck?" Then you know outrageous content. Number 4. Hilarious content. Hilarious content is pretty self-explanatory, but the trick is to find content topics that will be humorous to the majority of people, which is easier said than done. A great tactic to use when thinking or finding humorous content to post is to pair up with another content type. For example, an outrageously hilarious video would do the trick. In fact, comedians have been using that mix since the beginning. It's important to remember that hilarious content isn't so hilarious when it's forced or unnatural, so make sure your content has some originality in it. Number 5. Remarkable content. Remarkable content, the easiest to define, yet the most difficult to create. This type of content is less about the topic and more about the actual time and effort put into the content itself. For example, a fast motion video of an artist creating a masterpiece may not sound overly exciting, but the process and end result of the masterpiece may in fact be remarkable and worthy of sharing. A remarkable piece of content combines creativity, execution, and intrinsic value to the audience. An example of a remarkable blog post would be one of the explainer photos, examples, and links to allow the reader to better understand the content in whatever way best suits them. Number 6. Secret content. Secret content isn't exactly so secret once it's published. However, the concept remains true. This is content that is surrounded around the premises of "I know something that you don't know," a curiosity tactic we've all used since preschool. There's no doubt we all want to know something about somebody else, and that's exactly what creators must think when creating secret content. This type of great tactic for celebrity commentators and conspiracy theorist creators because of the forever evolving information that comes from people simply living their lives. Newfound information on existing topics will always grab the attention of the viewers or readers. Pair it with some outrageous or taboo detail and, well, you're on your way to a viral video. Well, that's it for today, Psychos. So, have you ever posted a viral piece of content? If so, what type was it? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more Psycho videos.